Hey, this will be a video chart on MMTE. Done this one many times. It's been a popular chart that's just been, around the message boards for quite a while. Want to get this updated. Had a very nice day and actually has had a very nice past couple of weeks. So let's just kind of quickly go through the history. Price was in a downtrend and then put in this nice doji candle right here at this black line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So the quick educational lesson, great example of a potential bottom forming candle. When you see these sorts of candles form around key areas of support, which the 200-day simple moving average definitely is, it doesn't guarantee that a reversal or a bounce is in store, but this was just a good example of one that did happen out of this nice bullish candle formation and the moving average down here. So anyways, back to the chart. There's our educational lesson. The good thing and my favorite part about this chart actually has to do with right here. And before you call me crazy for saying that my favorite part was when the stock was pulling back, let's take a look at things from the overall context and what this really means. Sure, stocks bounce like this all the time. That's nothing new in the world of pennies or big boards or wherever. But the key thing is what happens when they start to pull back. Is it kind of a one-day wonder? If you've been in pennies long enough, you've seen charts that bounce, but then when they do pull back, they go right back to where they started. And that's just pretty much, like I said, a one-day wonder, a couple-day wonder, and that's it. Things are done. But true tests of strength are really seen during the pullback. Stocks can move up, but is that really strength? I would argue no, that is momentum, but not strength. Strength is determined during pullbacks, and what we had wanted to see happen was for this 0.0018 level to hold as support, because that would have been a signal that, this move actually had some true strength behind it, because anything can run on momentum, but when pullbacks happen, that's when the strength is measured. And sure enough, the price pulled back, didn't quite hit 0.0019, but close enough, and then now you've seen another high being put in, which tells me that this original move here, did have a true sign of strength behind it, and was, sincerely a strong move. So now that we've put in a higher high, the same thing, holds true. If this move here, although we didn't close up at the high, which isn't too much of a surprise because we do have this green line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average acting as resistance, then that would have been better if it got closed up there, but no need to freak out because it didn't on its first attempt through. It did punch through intraday, but we care about where the close is. So this will be the key level of resistance. But going forward, this level, until we can get some closes up above the 50-day, 0.0018 is going to remain the must-hold level. Because let's think about it once more. Let's say the price does come down here, hover around a little bit before heading back up. Well, still, this set of lows here would be higher than this set, which means we can connect the lows, and then that gives us the ability to draw an uptrend line, and that's the name of the game, uptrend. So overall, the chart's making progress now, and the biggest progress it made was being able to uphold or put in a higher low during this pullback, maintain this level, and not just put in a higher high. So the next goal is going to be to start to get some closes above this green line, the 50-day simple moving average. But most importantly, we want to see and make sure that the price remains above 0.0018, because that's going to be the true measure of strength for the chart. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MMTE.